Hi everybody, and welcome back to another point of view driving video here at Puente Hyundai. Today we'll be driving the 2022 Hyundai Elantra. Now this is the Hyundai Elantra SEL with a 2.0 liter engine. Let's see how well it does. Alright, so today we'll be driving the 2022 Hyundai Elantra. Again, this is the SEL model. You'll have your blind spot detection, your rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning. You get an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your backup camera. You'll get regular cruise control. You still get the drive mode select as well. And we'll see how this one handles on the road. So the drive modes that you will get on the Elantra is going to be normal mode, which we're on right now. You get sport mode as well. Sport mode will give you more get up and go and stiffen up the steering wheel to give you better control on the higher speeds. And you'll have smart mode. Smart mode will automatically change the drive mode for you depending on how you're driving. So that'll give you, if it notices you're kind of cruising a little bit more, it'll switch itself to normal mode slash eco mode. If it notices you're trying to get a little bit more of that power, then it'll switch itself into sport mode. Alright, so normal mode feels, pretty good. Smooth ride, quiet ride, nothing too crazy on the transmission. I'm going to switch over to sport mode, and now we can really feel the engine open up a little bit more. And this is where we'll check out the turn radius on the Hyundai Elantra. Again, if you've done some research or if you know already, Hyundai has one of the tightest turn radiuses out there, so it'll help eliminate that 3-point turn, which is very helpful, especially if you have those narrow streets. Alright, so as you saw, that was the 360 of the Hyundai Elantra. Again, it's not as long as the Sonata, but you will get pretty similar features compared to other models. that's our video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, feel free to comment.